Hi everyone, we are Julio and Kate Mariscal. We've been together for 14 years and married for almost 10. We have 4 kids, 2 dogs, and a cat living in a 22-foot travel trailer. That's right, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 kids, 2 dogs, plus a cat living in a 22-foot travel trailer. So how did we get here? Well, in 2019, we literally sold everything, including our 2,200 square foot home, and began living on the road full time. It was our goal to live simpler, debt-free, and do our best to limit our carbon footprint to help the longevity of Earth as we know it. Oh, and did I mention we also bought a 40-foot school bus that we are in the process of having converted into a Skoolie? We are definitely excited about that as it will almost triple our current living space. It has been 6 months now of living on the road and one heck of a ride. We have no intentions of stopping anytime soon and plan to bring you along for the ride. Oh yeah, and one more thing. We are documenting our travels under our social media accounts Taco About Us Mariscals because, well, we love tacos. So come along and join us on our adventures, and who knows, maybe we will cross paths someday. Happy travels, everyone.
Okay, so on to today's real project. For me, I'm going to be working on making the doors for the understorage for the bus that I told you all about that I damaged unintentionally when I hit this rock. I forgot to mention nothing else was damaged. I hit this lady's decorative rock that she had in the corner of her house that she said had been hidden a few times, and instead of removing it, she reinforced it with rebar. So that's why the door completely came off the bus. But the bright side is I didn't do any damage to her stone, and she didn't want any money or anything for anything because there was no damages to her stuff. So here is all the lumber that I got. I'm trying to do this at the campground with minimal tools, so we'll see how it goes. So you gotta see my ghetto setup here. In an effort to save money, I bought a circular saw, but I really don't want to use it if I don't have to, so I can just return it. So I remembered one of the few tools that I thought I kept my circular saw, but I must have given it away. But one of the few tools that I did keep was my little Dremel saw and all of my blades. So I'm going to attempt, if you saw my ghetto rigged area here, to make my precise cuts with my little Dremel. So we'll see how this goes, but hey, if it can save me a buck, I'm all for it. Okay, so I did my best with my little saw and it wasn't cutting it. I'd be here all day, and what I'm really trying to do is minimize. I'm at a campground still, so I'm trying to minimize the amount of noise and commotion that I'm causing. Not that I'm really close to anybody, but you know, you don't want to hear somebody sawing all day. And I got everything measured out. It's just going to be a lot quicker. Probably take me 30 minutes to cut everything with my circular saw, as opposed to using my little saw and it taking me probably 4 hours. Plus I want to get this done today, so I still need to glue them down, screw them down, and stain them. So yeah, we're going to abandon that little saw and get going with this circular saw. Okay, so I got all of my cuts done for one of the doors. So to give you an idea of what it's going to look like, this will be the base. And the outer frame. Like this. It's kind of hard because I'm not on a flat surface here. But the look I was going for was a barn door style 2-panel door. So this is what it's going to look like. We're going to stain it, make sure everything's lined up right. Then we'll put wood glue down, screw it down, and we'll be done. Okay, so we are on to staining. The first door that I got here is, let's see if I can get English Chestnut Minwax wood finish. And we were gonna go with a different color, but after thinking about it and remembering what color we chose for the bus conversion, this is actually the color we used for the ceiling. So if you look back at the pictures that we have of the ceiling of the bus, you will see that the color that we're using today is going to match the ceiling perfectly. So that way it all kind of ties together. So yeah, we'll see how it looks. If anyone is questioning why they should have 4 kids, you can rotate 2 kids in for the first door and 2 kids in for the next door. Putting them to work, ain't that right, Evie? You want to help with the next one?
Yes.
Ah, okay. I'll take it. Daddy's back's hurting. Okay. So everything is stained. Everything right here on the brick has been out here for 2 hours. The minimum dry time. And everything over here just has maybe about another 30-40 minutes, but by the time you get the other one put together, this will be good to go. It's dry. Oh yeah. Okay, so here's the base layer for the 2-panel barn door that we're doing, and you'll start seeing us layer here in a second. So got all of our Out, and after we glue, roughly what it's gonna look like. Whew. All right, y'all. So I got one door done. I am pretty tired. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it to the other one, but it turned out really good. I went a little heavy-handed on the screws, but it's gonna be our door for our under storage. So I wanna make sure this bad boy is not going anywhere. I still need to seal it, and we're gonna put a piece of sheet metal on the back of it, and then we'll have to put the hinges on it, attach it to the bus and gaskets and all that stuff. But I think it turned out really well. Let me know what y'all think. Call me crazy, but I went ahead and pushed through, and I got both doors done. Perfect timing. As you can see, the sun is going down. Mosquitoes are biting me up bad. I'm hungry. My back hurts. I'm going inside.